How to stream live to YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and easy tutorial on how to casually stream your favorite games or hobbies live using the OBS software. So let's go ahead and get right to the point of this video. With the information I tell you guys, I hand you the key to live streaming. What's up you guys, CCS back with another CalmCool tutorial. If you want to live stream your favorite games or hobbies, you're going to need a broadcasting software. For this, I recommend the #1 broadcasting software, OBS, not sponsored. But OBS, if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. Let's talk a little deal. So step #1 on your journey into live streaming, you're going to want to go to Google and type in OBS. Click on the first link in Google, which says Open Broadcasting Software, and it should bring you to this page. Once you're on this page, you're going to want to download OBS. Down below, choose the operating system you want to download on. So go ahead and click on Windows. I already have OBS installed on my PC, so just imagine me going through the steps. It's pretty simple. You just got to click Next, 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 Install. Once the install finishes, double click the OBS Studio icon on your desktop and open it up. If it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Click yes. And here we have OBS open up for the first time. When you open up OBS for the first time, you're not going to see any of these sources or any of these audio mixers. I'm going to show you how to set that up now. So when you first launch OBS and you start a new profile, it's going to ask you if you want to go through the auto configuration wizard. It's not necessary, but I recommend clicking yes and going through this process. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys how to do this while I'm recording, but if you want to know where to find this option, click on Tools, and right below that is the Auto Configuration Wizard. And next, I'm going to take you step by step through the file settings when setting up your OBS software. So click on File, then go to Settings, and this is what you're going to see. We don't have to do much with General, so we're going to skip that and go down to Stream. This is where you set up your live streaming service. Whether you're streaming on Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook, you can select it right here where it says Service. Choose the service you'd like to stream to and select it, and then you need to get your key. So connect your account to OBS by clicking on Connect Account. And here's where you put your username and your password for your Twitch. Once you do this, it will automatically get your key so that you'll be ready to go live on Twitch. Now, if you can't connect using the Connect account, you can use your stream key, and this can be found in your account settings of your profile. Never show your key to anyone. This is how you go live to your channel, and you wouldn't want someone else going live to your channel, so never share your stream key. But once you got your service set up and your stream key entered, click OK and go to the next setting, which is output. Now here's where things can get a little tricky. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below and I'll answer them back. First thing you do when you're in output is go up to the very top where it says output mode and switch it from simple to advanced. And now you see all these confusing settings like encoder, bitrate, keyframes, CPU usage. I'm gonna make it simple for you guys. Boom, I'm gonna leave the link for this page in the description. This is your broadcasting guidelines. Read the information below to help you choose the encoding bitrate, resolution, and frame rate settings that provide the right balance for the game you're playing. Anything you need to know related to resolution, bitrate, rate control, frame rate, keyframes, presets, B-frames is included on this page. So play around with the settings they got here below. Now when you feel like you have some good output settings, we can move on to audio. So with audio, you're gonna need two things: your desktop audio and your mic audio. First, select your desktop audio and choose the device in which your audio from your PC is coming from. For me, this is Voicemeeter. And then go down to mic and choose which one your mic. For me, I'm using the Navita Broadcast. Now when you got your desktop and mic audio connected, click OK and move on to the next step, which is video. If you didn't set this part up with the auto configuration wizard, then you can set it up here. For me, I'm going 1920 by 1080, but if you have a lower end PC, you could probably do 720p. For the downscale filter, you want no downscaling, and for common FPS, put it around 60. For lower end PCs, put it around 30. And once you feel comfortable with all the settings, click apply, and then click OK. Those are the basic OBS live streaming settings, but now I'm going to show you how to capture your webcam and how to capture your game on screen. When you're first starting up OBS, you're not going to see any scenes, so you won't have a recording or a capture. To add your first scene, click on the plus button. Label this capture. Then next, click on sources. First, you're going to want to add your webcam to the preview. Click on the plus button, then click on video capture device. This will be your webcam. This window is going to pop up, and under device, select your webcam. Now you can see me on screen. To resize, click on one of the corner points and drag it down. Now that you got your webcam on screen, you want a way to capture your game. Click on the plus button, then click on game capture. Label this game, and this window is going to pop up. Under mode, select capture a specific window. This way you can capture any game or any software that's displayed on your monitor. Then click on window and choose the game that you want to display on your stream. Then click OK. Now when you open up the game you want to play, it should display on your stream. Now there's one last tutorial tip that I want to show you guys. If you want to display your desktop, your YouTube, or whatever you're working on your monitor, you can do this with a display capture. Click the plus button, then click on display capture. Now you can display whatever's on your monitor. Click on the corner points of the display capture and drag it to size the screen, then drag it under your webcam. And now you're ready to press that start streaming button and go live for the very first time. And there you have it. That's how to stream to Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook using OBS broadcasting software. And I might end up making this OBS tutorial a series, so if you guys have any questions or comments, just leave it in the comment section below. I always do my best to reply to all the comments below, and if you're a fellow streamer, let's have a conversation down there. I like to play with viewers and collab with other streamers, so if you want to check me out, I stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. I hope this video helps you out on your journey to becoming a streamer. If it did, then hit up the like button, hit up the sub button, and leave a comment down below. It really helps me out as a YouTuber. Thank you guys for watching the video. Until the next one, keep it calm, keep it cool, and keep it savage.